Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dee, and on this channel I share legit remote jobs, work from home opportunities, and ways to earn online safely. Before we get into today's video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Now let's get into it. Today I want to share my experience with a platform called User Interviews. I recently received my second payment from this platform, and I want to explain how it works, what you actually do, and what you should expect if you decide to try it. So what is User Interviews? User Interviews is a platform where companies look for people to participate in research studies online. These companies are testing products, services, or apps, and they need real users to give feedback. As a participant, your role is simple. You join a session and share your honest experience. It can be moderated, unmoderated, face-to-face, or group interviews. Let me tell you how it worked for me. When I signed up, I completed my profile and started applying to available studies. At first, I didn't get selected immediately, and this is something you should expect. You can apply to several studies before getting accepted into one. But I stayed consistent. After a while, I got invited to my first session. It was straightforward. I completed an unmoderated task where I answered questions and shared my experience. No stress, no complicated tasks. After completing it, I received my payment. Then recently, I completed another session and got my second payment, which confirmed that this platform actually works. I'll take you to my dashboard in a minute and show you my earnings. Now let's talk about what kind of job you'll be doing. Most of the times, it involves joining a video call, testing a website or app, answering questions about your experience, and giving feedback on a product or service. That's it. You don't need any special qualifications to get started. You just need to be honest and able to communicate clearly. One thing I like about this is the flexibility. You're not working fixed hours. You choose which studies to apply for, and if selected, you schedule a time that works for you. So it's something you can fit around your daily routine. Now let's talk about expectations. This is not a full-time job. You will not get opportunities every single day. Some weeks you might get selected and some weeks you might not. So it's best to treat this as an extra source of income, not your main one. So here is my profile. You go to userinterviews.com, sign up, make sure to complete your profile 100%. My profile is not complete yet because I have not added my work email. So you need a work email to complete your profile 100% because this is a professional. Your profile is supposed to be a professional profile, right? So you need to complete this. You need to complete your profile 100% by adding a work email. They have different study formats: in person, over the phone, online, one-on-one interview, focus group, multi-day study, unmoderated task. I like going for unmoderated task because I do not have to, be in contact or speak on the phone with anybody. I do it unmoderated at my own time. So that's the one I go for. Feel free to select any study formats or study type you want to go for. However, they will continue to send you email notifications on a daily basis if you sign up. They will send you job notifications like this. If I show you my email, it's a lot. They send you notifications every single time there's available job. This one is one-on-one interview. Okay, they are contacting you today from discuss.io to see if you qualify to participate in a paid online research study taking place on 16 to 20 April. This research will be conducted online using a webcam, and they're looking for your opinion on medical and health products. You earn 20 USD to tell them about your banking experience, your banking preferences. They're looking to chat with you about your professional experience, paying 30 USD. Share your experience with health and wellness products, paying 20 USD. Interested in paid AI training work? I told you guys that you can also find AI training jobs here, which I myself is going to sign up on this one after this video. And they're paying 10 USD. It's an unmoderated task you do on your own. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys my studies. Yeah, a lot of you ask me, have you earned, have you done this? It's not compulsory that I show you guys if I earned or not, because I'm sharing this information for you to go and make use of it. It's not for you to monitor how much I've made. But for the alternate pharmacists on this channel, this is my first payout, 20 USD, which was paid via virtual card. So this is my second task. One thing is, once you finish the task, you give them some time. It can take 2 weeks before it becomes available. So it's available now. If I'm ready, I'll click on view gift card. You earned 10 USD from purchases study. Redeem your incentive instantly through our provider Tremendous. So it's Tremendous that I normally use. So if I redeem it like this through Tremendous, user interview Inc. sent you this. Please click the button below to redeem your incentive on the following page. Ensure the correct currency was selected. So if I click on redeem, then I'm going to go for, you can use amazon.co.uk. They'll give you Amazon gift card. You can also use virtual visa, which I like to use, but I think I should use, they even have 88 more. So I can choose any of them to use. Okay. But the two that works for me is Amazon gift cards or virtual card, which means I can use this in store and pay for items in store if I want to. Okay, so I don't know which one to do now. If I'm ready, I'll activate it and use it. But because of this video, I will not like to show my details in public like this. So that's it. All right. So feel free to click on browse my studies and browse your jobs. Browse your jobs. Browse lots of amazing opportunities here for yourself, and do it remotely. You can do this from home. You can do this as a part-time. So yeah, that's it. If you want to get started, here's what you need to do. First, sign up and complete your profile properly. Your profile is very important because that's how companies decide if you match their study. Second, start applying to studies regularly. Don't wait for one perfect opportunity. Apply to multiple ones. Third, check your email often. If you're selected, you will receive an invitation to schedule your session. Fourth, attend your session on time and participate professionally. Let me share a few tips that helped me. Be consistent with your applications. Answer screening questions honestly. Apply as soon as you see any studies and always show up prepared for your sessions. Another thing to keep in mind is that not all studies are available to everyone. Some are based on location or specific demographics. So don't be discouraged if you don't qualify for every study you apply for. That's completely normal. Now let's keep it real. This is not a platform that will make you rich overnight, but it is a simple and legit way to earn extra money from home by completing short tasks. They also offer AI training jobs on this platform. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and based on my personal experience. I'm not guaranteeing that you will be selected for studies or earn any specific amount. Results will vary depending on your profile, availability, and the opportunities on the platform. Always do your own research before signing up for any platform. If you're trying to build income online, this can be one of the platforms you include as part of your strategy. It's simple, flexible, and beginner friendly. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is looking for legit remote opportunities. Also drop a comment below if you've tried user interviews or if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.